Hello you guys, welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen, and I'm going to show you another trick how to make your box cakes taste good. Now you can do this with any box cakes. So it's kind of similar to how I did the other box cakes, but I didn't add something else. So what you need for this is your cake mix, whatever cake mix you're going to have. This time I have butter yellow cake mix. You will need your milk, some bacon, some baked non-stick spray, because you need bacon. Whatever pans you're going to use, whatever you're going to put it in, it really don't matter. Some butter, 8 eggs, and like a spoonful of cream cheese. And so here's the trick. Here's the other trick that I didn't do in there the other time. Depending on what kind of cake you make, this is yellow. So I would suggest 2 different kind of puddings. I got French vanilla and cheesecake. Now if you had chocolate, get chocolate pudding. You know what I'm saying? So whichever cake you have, get 2 puddings that go with it. And also, you can always mix like the cheesecake kind in it and it still tastes good. Or French vanilla if it's a light color. So go ahead and put these 2 packets in here. Go ahead and you can preheat your oven to 350. So I already got my oven on. And I always use 2 boxes of cake mix, but you don't have to use 2 boxes. So if you don't use 2 boxes, you can use one of the pudding mix instead of 2, and 4 eggs instead of 8 if you just use 1 box. You can go ahead and spray your pans and just, set them off to the side. And make sure you spray them good, because this is what make the cake fall out of it when it's ready. I'm going to sit this over here. You can add your eggs. Like I said, if you use 1 box, you can use 8 eggs. If not, 4 eggs. If not, just 4. So about 2 big scoops of softened butter. I'm gonna put 3. This is the 2.5. A lot of people use oil, but that's what it's for. Oh, let me get a spoonful. And just a spoonful of cream cheese. And 2 cups of milk, but if you're using 1 box, that means 1 cup of milk. And with your hand mixer, go ahead and mix this all together. You want to just make sure everything is I'm going to go ahead and pour these in. Y'all done take them boxes out that trash. Just on the side of the trash can like I had them. Shake them off like this. Go ahead and put them in the oven until they're done and we'll come back.